Good morning. This is day 7 on our Hildegard von Bingen meditation and contemplation program. I hope you've been enjoying it so far. So as per usual, whenever you're ready, just close your eyes. Try to calm your mind, watch your breath, and just allow yourself to arrive to the here and now. With every breath, we inhale presence, loving, being. And on the out breath, we release and let go. All the thoughts, feelings, discomfort, anything that do not serve right now, we let them all go on the out breath. And on the next in breath, we imagine a golden beam of light pouring down on us from the heart of all, the presence, the oneness, and we'll simply allow that beam of golden light to surround us, embrace us, and hold us. As we contemplate and meditate on Hildegard von Bingen's beautiful words. My day begins. I saw a radiant, beautiful figure, full of eyes on every side, totally alive, changing its form like a cloud, becoming now wider, now narrower. And the interpretation. Sometimes, when God reaches out to us, repenting until our body is reduced to old age, and we get tired of sinning, then God admonishes and urges us again to do good and resist evil. Even if we ignore His new approach, we often have goodness forced, so to speak, upon us. Money and other problems overtake us. We can't do what we planned to do when we were prosperous. Even so, God does not forsake us. After all, He did not labor wholly in vain within us. His gracious pity shows itself in our lives in an abundance of mercy and compassion, looking upon the sorrows of all who attempt to follow Him. He is with us to console and save our souls, to prepare us for eternal life, not eternal death. His grace goes before us, so that the good may not fall, and sinners may rise again. His grace precedes and follows us, touches and warms us, so that we can with passion receive and fulfill His words of life. Let's just close our eyes for another moment, or just keep it closed for a little bit longer. And just allow these wonderful words of wisdom, a reminder of the goodness of God, loving oneness or presence that is always before us and follows us wherever we are. We only need to move our attention into this oneness, this loving presence, away from the sins of the world, the fear, the lack, the sorrow. And we are immediately in this loving and peaceful presence within us and around us. All through the day, our mantra is, God does not labor in vain. And with that, I wish you a wonderful day, and I will see you later in the evening for our evening meditation. God bless. Baruch Bashem.